what is database management system? We know we talked about the ancillary data or non-spatial data, and as well as the spatial data. Now these are to be stored somewhere. The spatial data and some when some non-spatial data is added to it, it becomes the information when huge is tabulated and becomes difficult to retrieve unless you maintain it in a database management system where the information is retrievable. A database management system can be regarded as a tool for representing in a computer a real world oriented model of the model set of the data. This relatively high level representation or abstraction is often referred to as conceptual model. And its specific description in the database is often referred to as schema. The database tool for defining the conceptual schema is data defining language, and the syntax of this language differs somewhat between the different database management systems. Now to understand this, we have a student ID, and we take another example. As already we talked about oil well, this is the x and y coordinates where it is located. This is the spatial information, and this is the whole lot of information that we collected about this oil well from the field. This is the non-spatial data. Now if in a country we have thousands of such oil wells, and the information is to be stored, we require a database management system for that, so that if we want to retrieve in future, if we want to retrieve any information, the information retrieval becomes very easy. For that purpose, each well has to be given as unique ID. Each well is to be given a unique ID, which can be called as a primary key. What is a primary key? A primary key is a column or columns in a table that uniquely defines the rows in that table. The values placed in primary key columns must be unique for each row. No duplicates can be tolerated. And like this is the primary key. Student ID, we gave two assignments to two persons to collect data regarding age, sex and weight from one person, and regarding collection of data regarding blood group from the same persons, but two persons are collecting this data. Now one person has got this table and another person got this table, but the students remain same. How they will be able to combine this information? By maintaining a unique ID of each student. That will be the primary key in this table. If we consider this table, so student ID 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, and he got the information 20, female, 52 is the weight. Likewise, the another person interviewed and the same group of students and wrote their ID, which was the same as in the previous case, and he collected the blood group. Now if we can see this primary key and this information which can be referred to as the foreign key remains same, but the blood group can be added to this table using this using with the help of primary key. So in this table, this is student ID is the primary key in this table, and foreign keys are columns that point to primary keys. Now in this table, these can be referred to as foreign keys, as these refer to the primary key in the table 1, so that the two tables can be related and combined.